Today, President Biden signed the Federal Disaster Tax Relief Act into law. Action News Now reporter Jesse Angelo takes a look at how the new law benefits Northern California wildfire victims.
Northern California is no stranger to the devastation wildfires bring to our area. Many people lost everything they had to these disasters. When wildfire relief payments started coming in, many of these people felt victimized again when they had to pay taxes on their relief funds. I went out to Igo and met Jeannie Lowe, who lost her home to the Zogg Fire in 2020. She told me that the taxes she and others in the community had to pay seemed unfair.
We had to pay taxes not only on the amount we received, but on the amount that was that the lawyers got too. And they got 25, 30%. And so we're supposed to pay taxes on that full amount. And that just didn't seem particularly right to me.
With the Federal Disaster Tax Relief Act being signed into law, people will no longer be taxed on these relief payments, and anyone who has paid taxes for disaster relief payments since 2020 can now claim refunds on taxes they already paid. The bill was co-written by Congressman Doug LaMalfa, who said in a statement, quote, "I appreciate the president's timely signature after his recent return from Africa on our important disaster tax relief bill," unquote. The new law gives people a year to file their amended tax returns. It shields people from losing benefits like Covered California, VA copay assistance, and federal student aid because the government misrepresented disaster relief as an income windfall.
The whole community is going to be relieved because I know a lot of people were kind of worried about whether or not the tax man's going to come after them.
The news that Zogg Fire survivors will now be seeing refunds has made everything here in Igo Ono a little more joyous this holiday season. In Igo, Jesse Angelo, Action News Now.
Now, the law applies to any wildfire payments received since 2020 for federal wildfire disasters occurring after 2014.